Little shit. Jen was not happy at that.
Oh. That's a good try, isn't it? Put all the stuff in the car.